What is up, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So guys, since my last Among Us video did so good, I'm uploading another one. So this I'm gonna teach you how to get this mod on Among Us for free, Town of Us. So guys, before I show you how to do it, let me show you what you guys are gonna get. Just disclaimer, guys, I can't really show you the thing. I had some technical difficulties connecting to multiplayer, but I'll show you the mod is activated. So on the right, so you can still play with your friends. So on the right hand corner, as you can see, the mod is activated. In the game section, you can see all of the customizations, and you get all the skins and pets. So guys, all the links will be in the description. So click that link and first link in the description and download the first latest version of this mod. So guys, it does take a while to download, and GitHub sometimes delays in download, so be patient. So guys, as we're waiting, please comment down below on what mod you would like to see next, or in what game would you like to see me crack. So guys, after it's downloaded, locate the file in your file explorer, left click it, and extract here now. So the extraction process shouldn't take so long, guys. It takes very quickly. And next, guys, what you want to do is find your Among Us shortcut on your desktop. By the way, this Among Us can be cracked or it can be original from Steam. And copy the contents that you extracted from the zip folder. And then left click on your shortcut and click open file location. Once there, it'll probably put you where your Among Us exe is, and then paste the files you copied from the zip folder into this folder. This will install the mods for you guys. As you guys can see, it's not very hard to install mods on Among Us. So yeah, guys, just paste it. So guys, once it's installed, you have done everything, you can just close the folder and double click Among Us. Since guys, this is a cracked version of Among Us, my one did take a long time to load up, so I apologize. So guys, as we wait, let me, if you guys have any issues installing this mod, please comment down below any questions you may have, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And also guys, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and like button and share the video. So guys, Among Us finally loaded up. Just waiting for it to load up. And there you have it, Among Us is installed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.